So, hi guys, it's Expose at 9 with Kavita Kapoor Khalsa. And I'm so excited to introduce today a participant, a student, a being who's so magnanimous and phenomenal. And his name is Jigar Daryanani, who is also the owner of Grace Cafe, which is in Ahmedabad on Sindhu Bhavan Road. And if you haven't been there, please go out and check it out because he's got amazing stuff. He cooks himself, and then he's all there to serve his people who come over to his Grace Cafe. That's not it. He's a very highly spiritual guy, and he's been doing a lot of vipassana and all, and evolved. Spiritual being is what we can call him, and he's there with us. And I would like Jigar to kind of introduce himself and tell about himself that what was life before you got into access consciousness. I just want you to tell the world, people, whoever is watching this, and what contribution could you be to them. And so just tell me what was life before access consciousness.
So there is only one word that comes to my mind, which is shit. And life before access was like totally full of shit. And what you keep doing as a being, as a human being, is that you keep picking up other people's shit, and you just feel like you're miserable. The times were very difficult. I was going with very tough situations, financially, emotionally, and spiritually. So I always had this guilt in my in my heart that I'm not able to evolve. And then suddenly access came to my life, and within I would say within an hour almost everything changed. I won't call it within a day, within 2 days or 3 days. Within an hour everything changed.
Wow. So scrap to complete creation is what you kind of jumped onto, right?
Yeah, it was like मैं कुएं में डूब रहा था and कोई हाथ पकड़ के निकालने वाला नहीं था. फिर समझ में आया I was intentionally in the well. And I mean, it happens with most of the people.
I just want to know, how is it different from Vipassana? Because I know that you spoke a lot about Vipassana, and the first time we met and you wanted to know more about access. So that's intriguing because I've been thinking before I got into access that मुझे Vipassana जाना चाहिए, किसी एक दिन जाऊंगी, करूंगी, So you tell me a little bit about that.
So, see, there are different point of views, but according to my point of view, when a person goes to Vipassana, goes for 10 days, and he lives there, he stays in complete noble silence, and he observes all the principles, और 10 दिन में जितना वो evolve होता है, उतना एक access bar के session में, he gets the same level of enlightenment.
Wow, really?
So, तो 1 घंटे के session में you can get as much as enlightened you get from 10 days of Vipassana course.
And guess what? मैं इतने समय से कह जा रही हूँ, शायद मैंने विपासना नहीं किया था इसलिए लोग सुन नहीं पा रहे थे, पर तुमने इतने आसानी से इसको कर लिया बिकॉज तुमने विपासना किया हुआ है. सो वो बोलने का जो एक इम्पैक्ट है वो हाँ 10 दिन का मेडिटेशन 1 घंटे में मिल सकता है आपको अगर आप अपने बार्स रन करवाने के लिए. हिम्मत नहीं होती है लोगों को बार्स रन कराने की, जहां तक मैंने देखा है.
See, it's a personal choice. People, के लोगों को अगर हील नहीं करना अपने आप को, लोग जानबूझ के सेल्फ पिटी करते हैं, तो it's their choice. Access bars में आने के बाद मुझे इतना पता चला कि कि if I want to be happy, it doesn't take a blink of an eye to be happy.
Totally.
So if you want to be happy, you are just happy, And
yes. So what prompted you to get into access? If I have to say, like, क्या ऐसा मोड़ आया कि तुमने कहा बस अब इसमें तो घुसना है मुझे?
मैंने मतलब कि मेरे मन में ऐसा गिल्ट था, आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू मेडिटेशन 2 hours a day or 4 hours a day. And when I came to access, so when you are getting your
you muted yourself, Jigar. Unmute yourself. Flow में mute हो गया तुम्हारा. Unmute yourself.
Yeah, I got a call. That's why it's got. So when you're getting your bars run, it's like you're sitting in a time capsule. And when you get out of time capsule, it's like तुमने पिछले 5-10 साल जिए ही हो. And you're
Wow.
so fresh. Your mental canvas is so fresh. You can draw anything.
I love your analogies,
you know कि विपक्ष जाने के लिए 10 दिन जाना पड़ता है, 10 दिन निकालना पड़ता है. एंड पीपल, ऐसे लोग होते हैं, they are those so busy in their schedule, not go there for 2 days.
Yeah.
So I would say get your bar done, and just see what changes it for.
लोग 1 घंटा भी नहीं निकाल पाते हैं. What do you have to say about that? lot of people are not able to
इतना
take
1 घंटा ही निकालना है जिंदगी चेंज करने के लिए.
हफ्ते का 1 घंटा भी निकाल पाते हो. खैर, that is just the choice they're making. So tell me one thing, what changes did you acknowledge or experience after getting to bars, and what all you've done so far, in Access?
I want to just say कि मैंने आज 3 लोगों को बस दिए हैं.
Wow.
Yeah.
I hope you
Yes.
charge.
And people were so happy to read. It changed them completely.
Wonderful that is, yeah. No,
Sorry?
but that's wonderful. I said, तुम्हें क्या बदलाव महसूस हुआ वो बताओ.
Yeah.
बताओ क्या बदलाव क्या आया उसमें?
मतलब, कि the receiving I have completely. I don't know if people understand the word receiving and understand the word allowance, because के लोगों के बिलीफ से होते हैं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, और ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, ऐसा नहीं इतना इम्पोर्टेंट बना दिया लोगों ने अपनी जिंदगी में. मुझे सिर्फ इतना पता है कि मैं के for my cafe I had to do 2 equipments. So each equipment cost around 1,20,000 rupees. So it's just a bar blender, to make good shakes. और मैं 2 साल बोल रहा था कि नहीं खरीद सकता. But after the foundation, I purchased them in, within a day मैंने उनको purchase कर लिया.
Oh my God! Wow.
So
I know foundation.
वो 2 bar blender it cost me around like 2,42,000. मैंने 2 दिन में purchase कर.
Wow, that's so amazing, yeah. So मतलब basically foundation करने के बाद तो आपकी पूरी reality shatter हो जाती है. That's what I get. नहीं, but I remember.
बिल्कुल foundation करने के बाद you see what मुझे इतना पता है कि मुझे अगर कल कोई न्यू बिजनेस करना और मुझे उसके लिए 20-25 लाख रुपए चाहिए, तो I can create it within a day. So मतलब I mean all the extra stress वो तो कब का हो गया, and you start creating more. So after doing foundation, I started 2 more businesses. So
you've become, huh?
This is what I wanted to do from so many days. I wanted to tell you earlier. मैंने सोचा कि मैं बाद में बताऊंगा.
Magician you've become. That's amazing. Congratulations for that. So okay, so I just want to know, you were also addicted to smoking, and you had mentioned कि अब मैं नहीं करता हूँ, Access मन नहीं करता है. So talk about that as well.
Smoking, it's like after doing foundation, मुझे ऐसा लगता ही नहीं कि कभी स्मोक करता था. मतलब कभी इच्छा ही नहीं होती स्मोक करने की. See, for it's like habits like smoking and pitiless beliefs, कि जो हम अपने माइंड में आके रखते हैं, वो बहुत छोटे हो जाए फाउंडेशन करने के बाद. And it doesn't even matter. You are on another level. मतलब you are experiencing different dimensions, and you are talking about smoking. It's not, मतलब compare भी नहीं कर सकते.
So where do you see yourself 5 years from now, Jigar? I would like to know that. Where do you see your life? Where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
5 years from now, I see myself, relaxing at a good villa,
Why? A big businessman,
with a lot of passive income.
A big business tycoon, contributing to the world in all the ways possible, is it?
Yes, everything which doesn't allow, let destroy and create it all, please.
Cool, let it go. Okay.
Put an online shorts by them.
So this is so amazing, and कहते हैं लॉकडाउन कोरोना टाइम में बिजनेसेस मर गए हैं, इकोनॉमी खराब है. आपका तो फिर रेस्टोरेंट का बिजनेस है, एंड लकीली आपका तो ओपन एरिया है काफी सारा. सो एंड इन आफ्टर कोरोना आपने फाउंडेशन चूज किया, तो बहुत लोग पैसे तो बना देते. आपका कैसा उसके साथ वो रहा? एंड यू आर सेइंग आपने 2 बिजनेस और लॉन्च कर दिए हैं. So would you like to talk about that?
सी पैसा नहीं होना भी ना एक के सी जब छोटे छोटे होते हैं ना और वो पापा मम्मी से कुछ मांगते हैं ना, वो मम्मी बोलते हैं कि नहीं नहीं बाद में लेना। सो तरीके से छोटे छोटे बहुत बड़े फाउंडेशन बन जाए लोगों की जिंदगी में और उनको कुछ भी करने से रोकते हैं। एंड व्हाट आई लर्न फाउंडेशन इज कि मनी इज जस्ट अ फिगर एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू आस्क फॉर इट। मैंने कोरोना के बाद मैंने फाउंडेशन का कोर्स किया एंड आफ्टर दैट आई स्टार्टेड द बिजनेस। सो मतलब नाउ द मनी एंड इट कम्स टू मी, अब सामने से आता है मनी एंड आई एम लाइक कि अभी इसको कहाँ स्पेंड करूं, इसको कहाँ स्पेंड करूं।
How does it get better than that? तो दरिया नानी है, तुम्हारा दरिया बन चुका है पैसे का, you know, you are a person who's
हाँ, पैसे का दरिया बन चुका है।
पैसे का भी दरिया आएगा। So okay, to wrap it up, मुझे ये बोलना है
अगर कोई किसी का हॉस्पिटल में हो और उसको बहुत पैसे की रिक्वायरमेंट हो, कैसे पैसा आ जाता है? ऐसे पैसा आ जाता है क्योंकि उसमें विलिंगनेस है पैसा लाने की। अगर विलिंगनेस ही नहीं है पैसे लाने की तो फिर पैसा कैसे आएगा?
नहीं आएगा। एंड क्योंकि ब्लॉक्स ज्यादा है, सोच में हमारी कमी आ जाती है, लिमिटेशन आ जाती है। तो मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि आप अपने
उसके लिए बार्स रन करने पड़ेंगे बहुत।
Yes. आप अपने peer group, because I know you're pretty young, you're not even married. I think what, 25 or 26 at best, right? That's what you are, right?
28.
Okay, 28.
28 at best.
28 at best. So tell me, you know, what few words you want to impart to your peer group, अपने उम्र के लोग, शायद अपने से बड़े छोटे जो भी हैं, जिन कुछ you know चंद शब्द आप बोलना चाहेंगे, and then we'll wrap it up.
Get your bars run. That's what I would say. You know about Access, get your bars run. If you don't know about Access, get your bars run. Get your bars run.
Just experience for the fun of experiencing it. If you want to experience nirvana, get your bars run. that kind of thing.
Of course, it will change your life. It will change your reality. Just get your bars.
How does it get?
किसी को भी पकड़ के दौड़ो बस।
किसी को भी पकड़ के बोलो कि मेरे बाल रन कर दो। I mean, obviously, जिसने सीखा है, there are a lot of practitioners across India and the globe around. It is in more than 182 countries. So just in case people you didn't know, type Access Bars practitioners. आपको कोई ना कोई कहीं ना कहीं अपने पास मिल जाएगा. So just go for it, because that's what Jigar is asking us to do, because he's opened up his life. Corona or no Corona, he's doing fantastic in his business and he's revived it out of nowhere. So what an encouragement could that be to a lot of people around who are suffering, whose businesses are dying, and who have already concluded that its chapter is over. What if it's not the end? What if it's a new beginning? So that's what I would leave you guys with, and wait for our next episode on the same day, next Wednesday at 9 o'clock, Expose with Kavita Kapoor Khalsa. So I would like to thank Jigar Daryanani today, Grace Cafe owner, to step into the world of, you know, consciousness, and thanking him all to be such an encouragement and an inspiration to the world around. Thank you so much, Jigar, for joining in.
Thank you.
Okay, so